Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar currency pairs. Let us look at the current trend of the price action and mark the present support and resistance levels from the higher time frame to lower time frames. Before that, let us look at the economical events plan for today. Today is Tuesday, Jan 17th. At 7:30 AM, we have high impact news planned for CNY. At 12:30 PM, we have high impact news planned for British pound related currency pairs. And at 7 PM, we have high impact news planned for Canadian dollar related currency pairs. And at same time, we have high impact news for US dollar related currency pairs. So there is a lot of high impact news for major currency pairs, so we can expect a volatility in gold also. Let us begin with our gold analysis. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the current trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame, it is very clear that it is in a very strong bullish trend. It has not broken this trend line or the support line, and every time the price action tests this support line, we have noticed it to bounce back and continue with bullish trend with a very high trading volume on the bullish side. And when we analyze the past price action also, we have noticed it to consolidate below this resistance line or the trend line, and once it gives a breakout from this resistance line, we have noticed it to retest on this trend line or the support line and again continue with bullish trend. And currently also I have drawn a resistance line or the support line. So if the price action bounces back on the retracement, we can expect it to take support on this trend line or the support line, and only when the price action breaks this support line, we can expect it to make a bearish side trend reversal in 4 hours time frame. So in the 4 hours time frame, in order to get the confirmation on the bearish side trend reversal, I would again recommend you to drawing a trend line or a bullish channel pattern connecting the previous highs and the previous lows, and I am also taking the midline of this bullish channel pattern. So once the price action breaks this support line of the bullish channel pattern, it is the confirmation on the bearish side trend reversal in 4 hours time frame, and next target is going to be the midline of the bullish channel pattern. And once the price action breaks this midline of this bullish channel pattern, we can expect it to take support on the trend line or the support line of the bullish channel pattern. And once the price action completely breaks this bullish channel pattern, it is a strong confirmation on the bearish side trend reversal in 4 hours time frame. So on the other hand, if the price action touches this trend line or the support line, we can expect it to take support and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. And these are all the trend line or the support line for the current price action in 4 hours time frame. And as long as the price action is trading above this bottommost support line of the bullish channel pattern, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame also. Let us mark the current support and resistance levels. So currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1908 and resistance level of 1929. Once the price action breaks this resistance level, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1957. And if the price action breaks this support level of 1908, next level of support is going to be around 1892, 1877, 1868, 1859, 1847 and 1828. And the current trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame is still in a bullish trend, and even if the price action breaks this support line, we have next level of support or trend line, the midline of the bullish channel pattern, and also the bottommost support line of the bullish channel pattern. And as long as it is trading above this bullish channel pattern, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame And in hourly time frame also, I'm drawing a trend line or a support line in order to understand the current trend of the price action for hourly time frame. And currently we have noticed the price action to be trading above this trend line or the support line from the hourly time frame. Wait for the price action to break this trend line or support line or the support level from the 4 hours time frame in order to enter into the bearish side trade, or wait for the price action to break the previous high, which is going to be around 1929, in order to enter into the bullish side trade in hourly time frame. For now we are seeing a consolidation between this resistance level and the support line from the hourly time frame. Wait for it to give a directional breakout in hourly time frame, based on which you can enter into the directional trades. And the current trend of the price action is still in a bullish trend as long as it is trading above this support line from the hourly time frame. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1907 and the resistance level of 1916. Once the price action breaks the resistance level of 1916, next level of resistance is going to be around 1923, 1930, 1940, 1953, 1969 and 1989. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1907, next level of support is going to be around 1891. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame. In 30 minutes time frame also we have noticed a price action to take support on this hourly time frame trend line or the support line, and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. And we have noticed a level of 1929 to be acting as a strong resistance for the current price action. Wait for the price action to break this resistance level in order to enter into the bullish side trade, or wait for the price action to break the higher time frame support level of 1908 if you want to confidently enter on the bearish side trade in 30 minutes time frame, because we will be getting the confirmation on the break of the hourly time frame trend line and also the 4 hours time frame support level. And as long as the price action is trading above this support line, we can expect the bullish side trend to continue in 30 minutes time frame also. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1911 and the resistance level of 1920. Once the price action breaks this resistance level of 1920, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1925, 1929, 1933, 1939, 1947 and 1957. And if the price action breaks this support level of 1911, next level of support is going to be around 1908 from the 4 hours time frame. And the current trend of the price action is under a consolidation within this 4 hours time frame resistance level and the trend line from the hourly time frame. Wait for a directional breakout in order to enter into the bullish side trade or on the bearish side trade based on the breakout direction. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. I'm in 15 minutes time frame. For 15 minutes time frame, I'm drawing a trend line or a resistance line in order to understand the current trend of the price action. Here we have noticed this trend line to be acting as a resistance line, and currently we are noticing it to give a breakout from this current consolidation. Wait for a proper confirmation, which means that it has to break the previous high in order to enter into the bullish side trade in 15 minutes time frame. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance level and the support level. Currently the price action is testing the resistance level of 1917. Once the price action breaks this resistance level, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1920, 1922, 1925 and 1929. And if the price action bounces from this resistance level of 1917, the immediate support on the bearish side is going to be around 1915 and 1910. and the current trend of the price action is still in a bullish trend as long as it is trading above this hourly time frame trend line or the support line in 15 minutes time frame also. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.